Every meow and bark is a prayer unanswered until you act. Stray animals endure unbearable hardship. Millions worldwide live without food, shelter, or medical care. In the US, over 3 million animals enter shelters annually, and far too many are euthanized due to overcrowding. These innocent beings face fear and pain daily, yet their trust remains unwavering. God calls us to care for all creatures, to show mercy and compassion to the defenseless. Every adoption, foster, donation, or volunteer hour embodies Christ's love. Each life saved restores hope, transforms fear into trust, and fulfills our sacred duty as stewards of creation. Together, we can bring mercy, dignity, and safety to those who cannot speak for themselves. Will you answer their silent plea?